my instructor, Dr. Junel Mark D. Sarno. In this video presentation, I'm going to present my slogan and the awareness about vice in drug prevention. Drug use and harmful vices can destroy health, relationships, dreams, and future opportunities. Prevention begins with awareness, responsible decision-making, and the courage to resist peer pressure. Let us encourage the youth in our community to choose healthy activities, education, positive relationships, and meaningful goals instead of drugs and harmful vices. Protect yourself, support others, and make choices that build a safer, healthier, and brighter future. My slogan is be wise, don't compromise, stay away from drugs and vice, because it reminds us that every choice we make can shape our future. Drugs and other harmful vices may begin with curiosity or peer pressure, but they can lead to addiction, broken relationships, poor health, crime, and lost opportunities. Being wise means having the courage to say no, thinking before acting, and choosing people and activities that help us grow. Our life is valuable, and our future should never be exchanged for temporary pleasure or pressure from others.